Hey everyone, it's Cool Titanic is here, and today we are doing this thing, sort of a remake of the Tornado Siren Madness videos from Broken Solar Panel, and today we are
I have a video on my tablet here of some T135, an electrical mechanical version of Chrysler.
So I'm gonna show you.
Did we miss anything, Garrett?
No, it doesn't look like that's the first siren we made here now. So I want you to meet ATI.
So I want you to meet ATI.
Hello, YouTube. My name is ATI from Tornado Siren Madness.
See here on its bottom control box, on its top control box, it says ATI. So would you like to say hi?
Hi.
Okay, now. You might be wondering, I have
Made a
ATI. ATI has some couple of new poles. Has some couple of new poles. He's planning on building more sirens.
we already got this tornado siren box right here. It says Thunderbolt right here. It's really small. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah. But anyway, I have a video on my tablet. So it says here I have a Model J, Model I, a T135, an electrical mechanical version of Chrysler,
You just said that in a
P15,
a smaller version of P50, the Bully. I hate that one.
Yeah, me too. He's gonna be coming up here in a little bit. I hate him.
So,
Did I miss? Wait a second. Did I miss anything, Garrett?
no, it doesn't look like it.
Probably not. Probably not. This is the old one. Probably not. This is the old one. Oh man.
Hey, what do you say?
Excuse me.
I asked you guys to please let her out.
Let me just take out Lily a little.
Okay, guys. Well, Lily.